Hello kids, today we'll discuss about the topic trigonometric ratios. So first we'll see what is trigonometry. Trigonometry is nothing but measuring the sides and angles of a triangle. Then we'll have trigonometric ratios. Trigonometric ratios is the ratios of the lengths of the sides to its acute angles. So we have basically 6 trigonometric ratios, that is sine, cosine, tangent, cosecant, secant and cotangent. First we'll see how we are going to label the sides. So we have a right angle triangle, that is in a triangle you will have one right, that is 90-degree angle. Then an opposite and the longest side of the right angle triangle is known as a hypotenuse. Then with respect to the acute angle, the angle which are less than 90, so is acute angle. So with respect to the angle x, acute angle x, we can decide what is the opposite side and what is adjacent side. The opposite side is the opposite to the angle x and the adjacent side is the next to the angle x. Now we'll look into the trigonometric ratios. So first three trigonometric ratios we have sine, cosine and tangent. So sine x with respect to the x is a ratio of opposite side by hypotenuse, and the cosine is with respect to the x. So cosine x is the adjacent side by hypotenuse, and the tangent x is the opposite side by adjacent side. And I will just tell you a useful way to remember these ratios are so, ka, to. So means sine is the opposite by hypotenuse, ka means cosine is the adjacent by hypotenuse, and to is a tangent is the opposite by adjacent side. Now we'll see the other three trigonometric ratios, which are reciprocal trigonometric ratios. So cosecant is a reciprocal of sine. So sine is a what? Is opposite by hypotenuse. So cosecant is hypotenuse by opposites. So we can have h by o. And the secant is reciprocal of cosine. So that is a cosine is a adjacent by hypotenuse. So the reciprocal of it is a hypotenuse by adjacent. So secant is a hypotenuse by adjacent. And the cotangent is the reciprocal of the tangent, that is a adjacent side by opposite side. Now we'll see a few examples to find the trigonometric ratios. So first we have to find sine c, cos c and tangent c. So we are finding the ratios with respect to the angle x. Okay, so the opposite sine is the opposite by hypotenuse. So the opposite of angle c is a 6 and the hypotenuse is a 10. So it is a 6 by 10, which is equal to, and in the simplified form is a 3 by 5. So 6 and 10 both goes into the 2. So that is a 3 by 5. Cos c is a adjacent by hypotenuse, that is 8 by 10. So which is simplified to 4 by 5. And tangent c is a opposite side by adjacent side, that is a 6 by 8, which is simplified to 3 by 4. Okay, now we'll have some examples of cosecant, secant and cotangent. So cosecant is the opposite of a sine. So now it is a hypotenuse by opposite side with respect to the angle c. So 10 by 6, which is simplified to 5 by 3. And secant c is a hypotenuse by adjacent side, that is a 10 by 8, which is simplified to 5 by 4. And cotangent is a reciprocal of tangent. So it is a adjacent by opposite side, that is 8 by 6, that is a 4 by 3. Hope you understood this class. Thank you.